Imagine a tiny army inside your body, fighting for you right now. In the next minutes, you'll watch a single invader enter and see exactly how your immune system finds it, fights it, and remembers it for next time. Ready to zoom in? Here's the deal. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basic steps of an immune response, a simple story. Intruder gets in, alarm rings, battle starts, and memory is created so your body reacts faster next time. Picture this. You touch a dirty doorknob, then rub your nose. A tiny invader sneaks in. You feel fine for now. But deep inside, your immune defenders are about to notice something is wrong and prepare for a microscopic showdown. First, meet our villain, the invader. It could be a virus or a bacterium, but here we'll treat it as a single red spiky blob that doesn't belong in your body at all. Your immune system's job? Recognize "not me" and react fast. Our hero is a white blood cell, a defender cell. In our story, it's this same blue round cell with 3 white dots. It constantly patrols, checking everything it meets. If something looks suspicious, it doesn't ignore it. It investigates. Now, how does the hero know something is wrong? The invader carries special surface patterns called antigens. Think of them like weird flags. When the defender bumps into these strange flags, it realizes this is not part of us. The first response is like a silent alarm. The defender cell senses the invader and begins releasing simple messenger signals. These signals spread out and tell other immune cells, "Danger here. We found an intruder. Come help." Think of those messengers like group texts. One cell can't handle everything alone. It calls in backup. Soon, more defender cells arrive at the scene, all ready to check, surround, and eventually attack the invader. But the immune system is smart. It doesn't just rush in blindly. Some defender cells act as scouts. They grab pieces of the invader's antigens and show them on their surface like a wanted poster, so others know exactly what to target. This wanted poster step helps the body avoid unnecessary damage. The immune system tries to attack only the invader, not your own cells. It's a careful balance, strong enough to fight, but controlled enough to protect your healthy tissues. Next, special helper cells read the wanted poster and boost the alarm. They release stronger waves of signals so that many more fighter cells are activated. It's like switching from a whisper to a loudspeaker. All units to this location. Soon, powerful fighter cells like cytotoxic T cells lock onto infected body cells showing invader antigens. They don't just attack the free invader. They also destroy your own cells that have been taken over to stop the infection from spreading. At the same time, other defenders like B cells are getting ready to produce antibodies. Antibodies are Y-shaped proteins that can stick to the invader's antigens like Velcro. Once covered, the invader becomes easier to spot and clear away. Antibodies act like bright paint on the invader, shouting, "Here it is!" to the rest of the immune system. Other cells, like big eater cells, see the painted invader, grab it, and swallow it whole, breaking it down safely inside. All this activity can cause classic signs of inflammation: redness, warmth, swelling, maybe pain. In our simplified view, think of it as increased traffic, more fluid, and more defenders arriving at the battlefield to finish the job. As the invader is cleared, the signals start to quiet down. The body doesn't want an endless war. Most of the extra defender cells either calm down or are removed, leaving only what's needed for normal daily patrol again. Here's the clever part. Some defender cells don't leave, they become memory cells. They keep a record of that specific invader's antigens, like saving a file labeled, "If this appears again, respond faster." Because of these memory cells, next time the same invader enters, your immune system won't react slowly. It will skip the long setup and jump straight to a faster, stronger response, often stopping the invader before you even feel sick. Think about vaccines now. Many vaccines work by safely showing your immune system an antigen that looks like the invader without causing the real disease, so your body builds memory cells in advance, ready for a real encounter. In our simple story, we skipped many details, but the core idea stands. Recognize the invader, sound the alarm, send fighters, clear the threat, and remember it. This elegant cycle runs in you day and night, usually without you noticing. Now you might wonder, what happens when the immune response is too weak? Then the invader can multiply faster than the defenders, causing stronger illness. That's why good rest, nutrition, and medical care can be so important. And what if the immune response is too strong or misdirected? It can mistakenly attack healthy cells, like in allergies or autoimmune issues. The same powerful weapons must stay carefully controlled to avoid friendly fire. So when everything works well, your immune system is like a wise security team, alert but not paranoid, strong but not reckless, identifying true threats while letting harmless visitors pass through without drama. Let's quickly recap our story of a simple immune response. Step 1, invader enters. Step 2, defenders notice strange antigens. Step 3, alarm signals spread. Step 4, fighters arrive and neutralize the threat. Step 5, big eaters clear away the remains. Step 6, inflammation calms down. Step 7, memory cells stay behind as quiet guardians. Thanks to this, your body learns from every battle and becomes more efficient over time. Next time you feel a little fever, it can be a sign that your immune system is working hard, not just that something is wrong. That rise in temperature can slow down invaders and speed up immune reactions in a controlled way. You don't control every detail of your immune response, but you can support it. Sleep well, eat balanced meals, move your body, and follow medical advice. These habits give your defenders better conditions to function properly. Isn't it amazing that all of this happens on a microscopic scale, in silence every single day? Billions of tiny defenders constantly patrol, communicate, and adapt, all to protect you from countless invisible invaders. Before we wrap up, imagine your immune system as a story that keeps being updated. Every new antigen it meets adds another chapter, another lesson on how to recognize and handle future threats more precisely. Now that you understand this simple version of the immune response, you're ready to explore deeper topics. Why vaccines work, how allergies happen, and what makes some infections harder to fight than others. Stay curious. The more you learn about how your immune system works, the more you can appreciate what your body does for you every day. And in our next videos, we'll dive into more fascinating scientific stories hidden inside you.